How to make formulas work automatically in Microsoft Excel. If you want to make formulas calculate automatically, this video is for you. We want to calculate the total for Edwin contribution from the month of January to the month of May. In this case, we're going to enter the cell formula, which is by equal sum bracket open B2 B6, and when we click on enter, we will see the total for this, which is the summation of January up to May. So let's assume that we make any changes from the month of March, which is, let's say we have entered 0, and when we sum this up, we'll now notice that the difference is the same. So let's also see that we've changed the contribution for the month of April by entering 0. We'll see that the total remains the same. So in this case, if you want to make it compute automatically, so that anytime you change any figure in these cells, it will automatically reflect in the total. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is to navigate to the top of your Excel sheet and tap on formulas. Then after that, locate this menu calculations option. Then continue to tap on automatic. Right after clicking it, you can see the total has reflected, which is now 85. So in the month of April again, under Edwin, we've changed value to 7, and then tap on enter. You can see it was automatically reflected in the total of whatever we have here. Or in the month of March, if we also change the total to, let's say, 1, and then tap on enter, we will see that it has automatically reflected to 93. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.